Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 24a, in which we will take words with waw mad. When waw comes after dhamma or pesh letter, it is called waw mad. For example, mu, bu, wu, fu. The waw in all of these is waw mad, and it will have double stretch. Instead of saying mu, you will say mu, bu, bu, instead of bu, bu, and so on. But before we continue, let us remember the three sets. First of all, thick one, ru, and then u, ru, khu, and then very thick and high, su, du, tu, and dhu. Remaining letters are thin. So let's start the practice. Remember, waw mad will have the same sifat as of these letters. For example, ru. Okay, repeat after me. Ru, ru. Qu, ghu, khu. Qu, ghu, khu. Su, du, tu, dhu. Su, du, tu, dhu. Rest of the letters are thin, therefore waw mad is also thin for those letters. Let us start with words which have thin letters. Repeat after me. Duna, duna. Qalu, qalu. Qa has thick and high letter, by the way. Kanu, kanu. Amilu, amilu. Zalamu, zalamu. Dha is very thick and high, but mu is thin. Anyway, zalamu, zalamu. Let's take words with thick and high letters involving waw mad. Kafaru. How do you say? Kafaru, 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 kafaru. Yaqulu, 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 yaqulu. Yaquluna, 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 yaquluna. Because of dhamma, automatically and most of the time it becomes high anyway. Qu will become high and thick. Balaghu, 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 balaghu. Words with very thick and high letters. Suri, 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 suri. Radu, ra is thick. Du, ra, du, radu, radu. Turi, 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 turi. Hafidhu, 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 hafidhu. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.